Azvina kumira zvakanaka muri yeZimbabwe. Panguva yandiri kuuya ndiri kusangana nemiko zvinezvi ndiri kutambira mashoko anosiririsa handisiri kufarirawo. Pari kunzi zvoni senior military officer dies. Zita ndio ratichati tizivisane kuti ndiani koma military ndikina yavaroramba vachingofa. Chii chinechi chimbonyatsoitika kuti mageneral vari kungopukutwa kunge mapete. It's something that is not right. It's not good. Zvinenge zvakutotite ndo imwe security threat yaifana totariswa kuti why magenerals vari kungodonedzwa kudai so. Right, pari kutaurwa panapa according to my sources iri kudedzera kuti Zimbabwe has been plunged into mourning following the passing of decorated military figure and Liberation War veteran Air Comrade retired Simon Bere, who died in Zambia on Friday at the age of 66. The Air Force of Zimbabwe confirmed his death in a statement expressing profound sadness at the loss. AFZ Republic Relations Officer Wing Commander Donovan Morio said the organization was deeply affected by the death of one of its respected former leaders, noting that the entire Air Force fraternity was grieving. Air Comrade Bere was born in 1959 in Urungwe, Mashonaland West. He attended Chinoi and Matatu Primary School before continuing his education at Ascot High School in Gweru. Driven by the inequalities of colonial rule, he joined the liberation struggle in 1979 and underwent military training in Mozambique at Tongogara Assembly Point. During the war, he contributed in the education sector, helping to guide and support fellow figures while also rising to leadership roles such as detachment commander and political commissar. After Zimbabwe attained independence, he joined the Air Force of Zimbabwe in 1981 as an aircraft, the most junior rank in the non-commissioned cadre. Through years of dedication service, he steadily climbed the ranks, eventually attaining the rank of Air Comrade and holding several senior positions within both AFZ and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. He officially retired from active duty in 2024, ending a military career that spanned over 40 years, although he retained involved in national service in other roles. Mourners have gathered at Plot 6 Ansdale Farm in Karoi to pay their respects. Ameno akomana kana manga muchida kunobata maoko ndatokupai address papapa. He survived by his wife Regina and their 3 children. Chengetai Takudzwa and Tentai. Details regarding his burials will be shared in due course, but garema ziva kuti vari kuchema vakasangana vari kuenda ipapa handiti Plot 6 Ansdale Farm in Karoi ndo pari kuenda kunobatwa maoko kune vane rudo nemagenerals. Ndabva ndakupai ameno kana muine zvimwe zvamuchada kunzwa futi teta kusangana pa next one.